From renting bank accounts to using fake names, some of the crafty schemes being used by social media scammers to swindle unsuspecting consumers. This evening, Jamaicans are being advised how to identify some of those red flags. Kalisha Williams has the details in the final part of a Primetime News In Focus report, Social Media Scam.
So we have heard the chilling stories. Social media scams have been on the rise since the pandemic. And after being scammed several times, the victims are being cautious.
I'm afraid of Instagram totally now. So I go on Amazon and there's a shipping company near where I live. I just ship it there, Easy Express. I ship it there.
If I can take the drive to go and do the business elsewhere, I would do it, but not online. I wouldn't. The other businesses are going to suffer for the bad ones.
So what are the red flags that persons should look out for? Chuck Cameron is an attorney and data security expert.
You must trust no site. The assumption is that every site or every Instagram account is trying to scam you. And you then have to conduct your own due diligence and satisfy yourself that this is a credible supplier of services.
If they say they have a business, call the police station in that parish and let them check it out for you.
However, it is not always easy for the police to tell which online business is legitimate. Head of the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch, ACP Anthony McLaughlin, said many of the social media scammers have gotten creative. He said persons should especially look out for online business owners who are using bank accounts under different names.
Simply because they do not meet the criteria of the bank.
This is what the scammers call renting accounts.
What they do, they go to persons and they will pay them $5, $10, $15, or even $20,000 to use their accounts. A person will transfer monies to these accounts, right? I want to warn persons not to do this because during non-investigations, then these are the persons whose account number we have. These are the persons whose account number these funds were deposited in. And these are the persons in many instances who will withdraw the funds. So they are the first ones who we are going to be arresting and charged.
So as a result, many social media scammers continue to elude the police.
There's one particular one there who each time he does a job scam or an educational scam, it comes under a different name.
But e-commerce and social media businesses are not going anywhere. In fact, the world over, people are encouraged to go digital. So for Mr. Cameron, it's all about risks.
So if it is you are going to spend any amount of money that you consider to be a big amount of money, you just don't jump and start and give them the big money without a relationship of trust, because that is what business is made of. That's what relationships are made of, building trust. So you have to take small, tiny steps.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.